Welcome to Section 1 of our Amazon Marketing Video Training. In this section, we'll talk about what's Amazon all about, why you should care about Amazon, and how you can make money with Amazon. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What's Amazon all about? If you have used Amazon, you already have a good idea of what the company is all about. It's all about making things easier. With humble origins rooted in the online bookstore niche, it has grown to be the world's biggest and most successful online retailer. Amazon functions on the principle of delivering to anyone, anywhere in the world, and deliver it does. It just doesn't deliver goods. It also delivers great service and opportunities to everyone, with up to 280,000 estimated new job openings for the coming year, support for new profit organizations around the world, and enterprising options to people from all walks of life. What are some of the key elements that make Amazon such an important organization? It has the potential to impact your life in ways you might not be aware of. Amazon proudly highlights the following. Transformations. Amazon refers to transformation as the act of empowering others to help them transform their lives. It has achieved this by letting people unleash their creativity and fuel their passion through the Amazon platform. Authors, developers, small businesses, and nonprofits have used the Amazon platform and marketplace to achieve success and transform their lives, as well as the lives of those around them. Opportunities. While transformation is the goal, the opportunity will drive you to follow your passion and fulfill your dreams. Amazon offers people an opportunity that was not possible in the past unless you were favored by a privileged background. Whatever creation you have in mind is now possible without limitations thanks to Amazon. The Amazon platform is the right place for you whether you have adventurous aspirations such as publishing a book or getting a movie or series made, or if you have more industrious aspirations such as selling products, making money online, or starting a career. Economic impact. The fact that Amazon is giving people the opportunity to easily do what they love and transform their lives has had a positive economic impact on the people living the dream and on their communities and the world at large. Besides, Amazon directly employs 300,000 people, fostering a culture of economic growth through job openings and entrepreneurship. In the community. Amazon gives back to the world that helped it grow by contributing to the communities where its employees and customers live. These contributions come in a wide variety of ways, including computer skills education for kids, financial help for nonprofits in need, legal assistance for communities, healthy food stops, environmental action, and disaster relief efforts. Innovation. Amazon prides itself on being a true technological pioneer. It wants to improve commerce, customer service, consumer goods, and alternative energy sources. Some innovations introduced by Amazon in the aforementioned fields include the Amazon Marketplace itself, drone delivery, one-click ordering at home, and its wind and solar farms. Working at Amazon. Amazon is a place where builders, inventors, and innovators can perform their best and delight customers with compelling products and services through operational excellence and focused execution. It is a working environment that fosters diversity, curiosity, and community building. Sustainability. Amazon is not only about the profits. It wants you to know that by putting its inventive culture to work on sustainability and by protecting the environment. Starting with environmentally friendly packaging, Amazon is making great efforts to achieve 100% renewable energy for its global infrastructure footprint. Stay tuned to discover what all this means for you and how you can change your life the Amazon way.